For me, to be very honest, TUM Campus Heilbronn was a primary choice. First of all, there was a course in English, and it was about information engineering, which is like a combination of management and technology as well, more focused on technology. With the age of digitalization, it's of course one of the best courses to be in.
I now work at Campus Founders as a program coordinator, where I help young students discover their spark for entrepreneurship through our programs like the Corporate Campus Challenge. I discovered Campus Founders during my studies because I was a participant of the Corporate Campus Challenge. That made me fall in love with innovation, and that felt well with my management studies.
I would say it has influenced positively because it opened up many perspectives that I have now been using, and what I have learned actually I have been using in my current work. Currently I am a research assistant in data science and software engineering at Fraunhofer, so I help them primarily with software engineering and software development depending on the projects. And the current topics in our research and development are green AI and quantum computing. So I'm quite into frontier technologies.
Well, we have a lot of extracurricular projects and activities that we can do. And doing those give us a lot of opportunities to get real-world experience that we can then apply in our future careers, just like I did with innovation and design thinking, and that created my path for now and the future.
Well, to be very honest, all the project work, the research work, and all the assignments that we had to do without the use of AI, so as to say, was honestly speaking one of the hardest parts, and the hardest parts make you the best.
In 3 words. So, state of the art, that will come for one. Collaborative, due to all of the different institutions we have here. And simply fun. You will have a great time here.